In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Wayfair credit card rewards online effectively. Let's dive right in and make sure you get the most out of your rewards experience. First things first, to manage your rewards and ensure you're using them optimally, you'll want to go to a helpful resource called NerdWallet. Open up your web browser and type in NerdWallet Finance Smarter in the search bar. It's a great tool that acts like your financial advisor and helps you make informed decisions by keeping track of your finances, including credit card rewards. Once you're on their homepage, you'll be in a good position to start managing your Wayfair credit card rewards. Now, look towards the top of your screen and find the section labeled My NerdWallet. Clicking on it will direct you to a dashboard that's customized for you. This personalized section is an excellent way to have a snapshot view of your financial situation, including all your various rewards and transactions. Within your My NerdWallet section, you'll see an option called Rewards. Go ahead and click on this tab. This Rewards tab will show you an overview of where you stand with your credit card rewards, including your Wayfair card. It's a perfect way to see how many points you've accumulated and what options you have to redeem them. It's crucial to check this often so you don't miss out on time-sensitive offers or promotions, ensuring you maximize the benefits of your rewards. Next up, you'll want to click on the option labeled Fresh and Trending. Here's where things get interesting. This page highlights new deals and offers, some of which might be directly related to your Wayfair credit card rewards. You'll see things like discounts, exclusive access deals, or even bonus point offers that can significantly boost your rewards earnings. Make sure you scan this page regularly. It's always good to keep an eye on current trends to make sure you never miss out on enticing incentives or offers. And there you have it, a simple yet thorough way to manage and use your Wayfair credit card rewards online. By regularly checking these sections on NerdWallets, you'll ensure you get the most value and make informed decisions about how you use your rewards. Remember, your Wayfair credit card is a powerful tool in strengthening your purchasing power, and by staying on top of the freshest deals and trends, you'll make every point count. Happy shopping and enjoy your rewards to the fullest.